Looking for the perfect subwoofer to upgrade your car's sound system? Stick around, as we've tested and ranked 5 of the most talked about models so you don't have to. Starting off our list in the 5th spot is a compact option that's great for tight spaces, the Pioneer TSA 2000 LB. Now, while it may not shake your car windows, it's built for those who want some added punch without going all in on a massive sound setup. What makes this one stand out is its super slim design and solid build. The sealed enclosure means you get tight, clean bass, and the build quality is top-notch with a glass fiber reinforced cone that adds both durability and sound clarity. If you're short on space but still want that bass boost, this little guy fits the bill. Now here's the catch. It's a passive sub, meaning you'll need an external amplifier to power it, and at just 8 inches, it won't give you the depth or boom you'd get from a larger powered setup. It's more about refinement than raw power. This is perfect for someone who values precision over loudness and is working with limited space. Maybe you're driving a compact car or just don't want to sacrifice trunk space. Either way, if you're looking to start small, this is a safe first step. In 4th place, we've got the Rockville SS10P. It's a solid step up from the Pioneer, especially for folks who want a powered solution without extra gear or wiring complications. This sub comes with a built-in amp, saving you the hassle of buying a separate one. It fits nicely under most car seats, and the sound is solid, punchy enough to feel, but still compact. It includes all the basic controls like bass boost, gain, and crossover adjustments. It even comes with a remote knob for bass control, which is super handy. But let's keep it real, it's not built for massive bass heads. The output is enough for casual listening or enhancing a stock stereo, but if you want something to really rumble, you might feel it's lacking. It's also a bit bulkier than some of the newer underseat models. If simplicity and price are high on your list and you're looking to improve your factory sound without going overboard, this is a practical pick. And hey, links to all the products at the best price are down in the description, so you can check them out anytime. Coming in at number 3 is the Seventour Blue LED subwoofer, and yes, it lights up. But it's not just about looks. This unit builds on what the Rockville offers, but with a bit more power and flair. You still get a slim design with an included amplifier, but the RMS output is slightly higher and the frequency range is wider, giving you better coverage in the low-end spectrum. The LED ring adds a cool visual touch that kicks in with the music, and it includes a complete installation kit to get you up and running fast. On the flip side, the lighting might not be for everyone, and while the power is better, it's still in the budget range. Don't expect it to rival more powerful systems. It's an upgrade, not a transformation. If you want your car interior to not just sound better, but also look cooler, especially at night, this is a fun, budget-friendly choice. Oh, and while you're here, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps a ton. Runner-up on our list is the VIKEJIEBIV-03. This one's for people who want both performance and some serious visual vibes, thanks to its RGB beat-synced lights. It's more than just flashy though, it delivers solid performance where it counts. It brings a hefty 300 watts RMS, making it one of the most powerful underseat models we've looked at. The build is sturdy, the amp is integrated, and installation is simple. And the RGB lights? They're responsive to your music, which adds a fun dynamic element during nighttime drives. The catch: it's still a budget brand, so don't expect premium level bass detail or the longest product lifespan, but for what it costs, you're getting serious bang for your buck. This is a great pick for someone who wants noticeable bass without sacrificing interior space, plus that extra style factor. If you're after a vibe and volume combo, this one should be on your radar. And finally, taking the number 1 spot, the MTX-TNP212D2. If you want the real deal, this is it. This setup isn't just about bass, it's about presence, punch, and pure power. Dual 12-inch subs pack a punch you can feel in your chest, and it comes preloaded in a sealed box with a matching amplifier. That's everything you need in one package. The RMS output blows the others out of the water, and it's built to last. It even comes with a wired bass control knob, which makes real-time tweaks easy while driving. The only downside? It's big. This system takes up trunk space and isn't ideal if you're limited on room. Also, while the included amp is decent, you may want to upgrade it later to really unlock the full potential of those 12. This one's for the bass lovers. If you want to feel the music as much as hear it and space isn't an issue, the MTX setup will not disappoint. So there you have it. 5 subwoofers tested and ranked to help you find the one that fits your ride and your vibe. Check out all the top picks at the best prices in the description below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more sound system reviews right here.